Hello and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. Sorry about the poor video quality. I'm in a hotel and I don't have my regular setup. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to design a drill bit. We're going to 3D print it, and at the end I'll show you what it looks like. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you, have a look down in the description. There's a link to a Udemy course I created, a lot of great content on there that is not on my YouTube channel, so check it out. And then also down in the description is a link to a site called Makernest, similar to Cults, but it's a great place for makers to sell their designs. If you get started early, now while they're just starting up, you get preferential commission. So you get more of your money back on your sale. So go check that out. But let's get into today's video. We're going to start this one off by creating a sketch on the top plane. Push C for center diamond to circle. You could also select it up here. We're going to snap to our origin and go 10 millimeters. Finish sketch. Now we're going to select E for extrude, or you can select it up there and extrude it up to 100 millimeters. So that's going to be the shaft of our drill bit. Our next step is we need to create the flutes on the drill bit. So we're going to use a coil for that. So we're going to go create. We'll select coil. I'm going to click on the top here, and then we're going to draw our circle out to 10 millimeters. And now we've got to set our coil. So there's a couple of options. You can have your coil on the inside, on the center, or on the outside. I want it on the inside because I'm going to project that outside line that you can see intersecting with our shaft there. Change it from cut to a new body. So we now have that coil inside, and we need to get that line from there. So we can go sketch. You can select any plane for this. We're going to go create, project, include 3D geometry. From this we are able to select our coil, and you can see there we've got a path. So next step we're going to do, we need to extend this line to come out here. That'll allow us to do a sweep along this path straight out. We won't have any weird edges in the drill bit. So I'm going to select the line tool, snap to this. First you've got to make sure that 3D sketch is selected. So if it's not selected, we won't be able to draw on any other plane than the one we've selected. But if 3D sketch is enabled, I can click that line, snap there, and draw it out. Now if we have a look at it from various angles, that is the correct angle I want it to be going at. And we can see it's not on the plane that we are drawing on. So you should be able to move this around. So I'm going to draw that line again. So this will give us a better idea. I want it down at that angle. I'm going to take a look at it from the front. I want it to be out like that. So it's going to sweep itself out of the drawing. Finish sketch. And now we need to create a profile to actually do the sweep on. So we'll go construct plane along path, and we'll make a path, or make a plane along the path of our sweep line, and create sketch. Now this is going to be the circle. So basically C for center diamond circle, and make this 4.5. And what this is going to enable us to do is sweep along the path and basically be a cutting tool to cut out our lines there. We're going to finish sketch. Now we'll go to create, and we'll select sweep. In the sweep, we're going to select the sweep profile, then we're going to select the sweep path, which will be that line as well as this line. So you can see there it's sweeping through the drill bit and coming out the end. I think that angle's not quite right, so we can OK that, and we can just shift this angle down and it'll adjust that angle for us, but that's not really necessary. Next I need to repeat this on the other side to get the second flute. So I'm going to create a sketch on the top plane, not the top plane, the top of the drill head over there, and project include 3D geometry. We're going to select these same items, and then we're going to go create circular pattern. Should be able to select them now. Center point will be the center over there, and I want 2. Okay, I see it didn't select that. Let me go to create, project include 3D geometry, and it's not allowing me to select that circle, so we'll just do the create path again. Finish sketch, create plane along path, select this new line we drew, make sure that's right at the top there. You can see the distance is 0, 0. Create sketch. Now again a center diameter circle, so C for center diameter circle, and 4.5 millimeters. Finish sketch. Now we'll repeat the step of doing the sweep. Select our profile, select the path, make sure we select the little extra bit over there. It comes out, and there we've got our flutes for the drill bits. At this point I can turn off these sketches, they're not necessary, and I'm going to a front view here. The last step, we need to cut this shape out the top so that we can have a suitable cutting shape for the drill bit. Create a sketch on the front plane. I'm just going to turn off 3D sketch. Sometimes that can get annoying if you don't realize you've clicked something out of your sketch. L for line tool. X will give me construction, you can see over there, because I'm wanting a center line going right up to over there. I'm going to turn off construction, and L for line tool again, and we need to create something that's going to cut through our drill bits. So on this line I'm going to go in below there, this is going to be the shape we cut out. We'll do a sweep, but I want to make sure we got the right angle here, so I'm pushing D for dimension. I'll dimension this line against that line to get the angle. Now I want the cutting head angle to be about 60 degrees, so in order to do that we'll make that 120, and it'll give us that angle there, and that is the shape we're going to cut out. So okay, revolve, it's already selected that for us. Axis, we'll select one of these uprights here that we drew, and there we go, it's cut it out for us. So that is how you design a drill bit. We're going to have a look now at the 3D printed version. So that's how our drill bit turned out. Obviously it's not functional, we can't use it to drill anything, but it gives you a good idea of what your design would look like in real life. This video has given us a pretty good idea on how to use the pattern tool, our circular pattern, as well as project, include 3D geometry, and the sweep tool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.